The LC house is situated on a corner lot with a slight slope, which influenced the design of the accesses to the residence. The house is located in Lençóis Paulista, São Paulo, and was designed by Caracho Arquitetos. Its layout in the form of an L is organized into 3 blocks, the social sector and the intimate sector, each in one of the legs of the L, and the garage in the center, articulating the other 2 blocks. The social sector, a vibrant hub of activity, encompasses the living room, guest bathroom, dining room, and kitchen in a harmonious open space. Sliding glass doors on both sides retract completely and are hidden within the walls, fully integrating the interior with the exterior. On one side, they open to a garden facing the street, while on the other side, they connect to the gourmet area, living area, pool, and central garden, providing a flexible configuration to meet various needs. The private block, which houses bedrooms and an open, intimate space for a playroom, faces the garden and is protected by a large overhang. This architectural element facilitates the use of wood as cladding, covering the entire block. An internal ramp connects the garage to the social hall, which serves as an intersection point between the other blocks and the street. At the lowest level of the terrain, the garage not only serves as shelter for cars and motorcycles, but also reflects the residents' passion for collecting and practicing motocross. Its distinctive design, adorned with rubber walls, transforms the space into a workshop and gym, showcasing a harmonious blend of utility and style. Artificial and natural lighting features are ingeniously incorporated, with the shifting of 2 ceiling levels extending to other areas of the house.